I cannot get over how out of control the mac and cheese war got last month. The roux people were battling with the egg people. The Celentani people were battling with the shell people. Things got out of control. While I am team roux and not team egg, I think this mac and cheese will make everybody happy because it does a little bit of both. Start by shredding my own cheese. This is fontina, Colby Jack, and Asiago. I reserved some of the cheese and put it in the fridge, and this is what's gonna go on top. To boil the macaroni, I added some chicken stock, and then to that I add some salt and some smashed garlic. Then I start on my cheese sauce by melting some butter in the pan, and to that adding a little bit of flour. I will be adding eggs too at the end. Then I slowly add in some evaporated milk, and I add in some heavy cream, and I stir after each addition. I also stir in a little bit of milk. Now that my broth is boiling, I add in my macaroni and I let that cook for about 8 or 9 minutes. Going back to my cheese sauce, I add in some black pepper, and then I turn off the heat, and then I add my cheeses, starting with my fontina and then my Colby Jack, and then lastly I end up adding my asiago. I go really slow and stir after every addition. I remove my garlic from the macaroni, and then I give it a drain and I put it right back in the pot. My baby helped me add in 2 eggs, and if you like your macaroni like a brick, no shade, then you can go in with 4 eggs. I use my black whisk because it is Kwanzaa, even though I don't celebrate, and then I add in the mixture to the macaroni. After adding the egg mixture, I add in the cheese mixture and give it a stir. I pour in half, and then I top that with cheese, and then I pour the other half and then top that with cheese. Once it's fully covered in cheese, it's ready for the oven. On this first day of Kwanzaa, where those who celebrate focus on unity, I hope this macaroni cheese can bring you guys together, because roux and eggs can coexist and it is amazing.